rock.
Alright, so I'm in top. So now Tom is on my team, and he has to cheer for me, and now I'm versing Georgia, alright?
Cheer.
Alright, ready?
Yes, Cal!
Yes, Cal! Yes, Cal!
Alright mate, you know what time it is. Second last month of the year. We're off to Sid City. Got a couple parties, picnic, bit of everything in there. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself while it lasts. We've only got one more after this for the year. Yeah, strap yourself in. Put some glasses on. Not these ones. Put some ridiculous ones on. Put some bloody 3D glasses on. Cause you're in for a treat, mate. You're in for a bloody treat. I'll see you at the end.
It says it's all downhill from here. Is that a good or a bad thing? A bad thing. Well, what if you're like, oh, you're riding downhill? You're riding downhill. You're like, oh, it's easy. I agree with you.
Speaking up on the inside of Prince of Aaron making up ground. Then Ventura Storm sound check. You can turn about 6 off going around the third. Followed by Aubrey in the center. Finish up the runaway. Followed by Von Dramatic. Ventura check out.
It's 3:30 AM, Thursday the 15th of November. We're going to Sydney. We're going to Sydney.
Morning everyone. Bright and early, 4:10 AM on the way to Sydney.
On the way to Cal's.
On the way to Cal's before Sydney.
Yeah. Oh, it's a bit of rain.
In for a good 9.5 hours. Should be a good one.
It's currently 12 degrees, but it feels like 6. Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's pissing down.
Oi, oi. Welcome to our crib, bitches. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Not PJ.
That is OP in this game.
Your cabinet going?
A lovely day it's turned out to be.
Oh, I always like to join it. It's like this mad view of the harbour.
I've been up for 3 nights at the motel under street lights in the city of palms. Call me what you want when you want if you want, and you can call me names if you call me up.
Hey, what's up? I'm mad. I'm a fat piece of shit.
Fattest. That was honestly uncanny how perfect that was. Harbourlife Jay, get excited! Alright, you're on the vlog. Say something cool.
Something cool. Welcome to Harbourlife, bitches.
1 month ban, 1 month ban.
Label.
I'm just watering this plane.
Like. Oh, what's up, bro?
What's up?
Who's excited?
Fuck yeah.
Are you excited for today?
We're so excited.
Yeah, where are we going? Where are we going?
We're going to Harbourlife. We're going. If you don't come, you're missing out.
You're missing out, you're listening out.
Sydney Harbour, best city in Australia. I think.
You heard it here first.
It's a lie. It's a fucking lie.
That's a lie.
That's a fucking lie.
Yeah, there you go. Fuck it up, girl. Okay.
Let's do it. Margie's dress matches the boat. We're in a Harbourlife.
What? There you go. Act like you love each other. You're about a kilometre from. Okay.
So this is how the game works. I'm only going to explain it once. It's pretty. It is. No, Holly knows how.
Holly knows what it is.
Right, so this is what happens. However you want to do it, but it's got to be to that beat because hey, people guys. Scissors, paper, rock. Paper, rock. Put it on the top of it. Alright, scissors, paper, rock. Alright, terrible whistle.
Scissors, paper, rock.
Alright, so I'm in top. Alright, so now Tom is on my team and he has to cheer for me. And now I'm versing Georgia, alright?
Cheer.
Alright, ready?
Yes,
Scissors,
Cal!
paper, rock.
Yes, Cal!
Scissors,
Yes,
paper, rock.
Cal!
Scissors, paper, rock. Alright, so now you.
Alright, who's next? Bye.
Scissors, paper, rock.
Alright, cheer for Lee.
Scissors, paper, rock.
This is Maddie. Tristan. Who's next? Go, on, son!
How's it be tough?
Okay. There you go.
Can you get a photo of that?
I'm going to video. Oh, yeah, alright.
5, 6, 7, 8.
You're mind if I headbutt?
Hit that.
Hit me with those laser beams.
Read that.
My name ain't Tupac, but I still get around.
It would chase me. It would actually chase me out of the villa, so I'd have to run out every time. But it wouldn't get me on the way back in. Oh my god! Oh my god!
I don't think Holly has any feeling in the back of her head. Yeah, there's a big snake.
That actually really hurt.
How's your night been?
Pretty good, man.
Pretty good? That's the way. Anything crazy happen? Any troublemakers tonight or? Nah? Well, that's a good thing. It's a positive. Go.
Sexy?
Sexy, can I?
Fantastic. Alright, where are we?
Hello, vlog. We are on the moon, in outer space.
We're on the moon?
Star Wars thing. On the Star Wars ship. Also.
On the Star Wars ship?
On the Star Wars ship.
Which one? Which one?
The biggest one. With Princess Leia.
Millennium Falcon.
Millennial Tunnel.
Okay.
Bridget is in a wig. It's actually her real hair.
Bridget looks like a cartoon character.
What's my idea? This was all
You want to swap?
I know, she knows, I'm not understanding. Two more folks and maybe she's still out to get me. Yeah, so how can this be done? Such a lovely way. Something so
It was birthday 2018, 21.
Fuck off!
Words. Say
If
some
you don't
words.
like Eva, then you can fucking
quick words,
If you don't
Sally.
like Eva, then I hate you.
We can show this to her baby when she has a baby.
Yeah,
Happy
quick.
birthday to your mother. She's gonna be the best mother you've ever had.
And if you don't like her, I hate
Respect.
Eva, no, it's true.
Ava.
If you don't like Eva, then
Love
I hate
you.
Oh my god, let
I
her
love you so
dance!
much, Joshy. If you don't like Eva, then I why would you not?
Go on the vlog. Go on the vlog. Go on the vlog. Go on my vlog.
Alright, so we're at the Emerson Hotel and it's called Perth on a Thursday.
It's popping? Is it popping?
It's alright, it's going off like, you know, Thursday night's fucking good, but good to see everyone.
Oh, it's not bad back here, hey. A fair bit of room. Oh, yeah, I don't mind this in the, what are we?
Cranking the neck.
Oh, wait, it's a 7-seater, isn't it?
12.
Alright, pal. Thank you very much for watching.